okay.
All
We're
good.
gonna get you down the hill. All right?
Hey, Neil, are you okay?
Yeah, Dale, he doesn't look too good. We need to take him down.
Yeah. You can't get Scott on the radio?
No, I think he sees up ahead.
Best not to stay too long at the summit.
It's a long way to go, man.
Head down, one step at a time.
You got it, boss.
You seen Dale?
Yeah, I did. He wasn't looking too good, but Neil seemed to have a handle on the situation. Tried to get you on the radio.
You kidding me?
No.
This thing's not working, huh? I'm going down to Camp 1. If he's not doing so well, I'm gonna take him down to base camp and I'll head back up. You guys all right?
Yeah. He can't be too far ahead of you, mate.
Yeah, I'll make it down in half the time. I'm gonna catch you! Woo!
Cheers. Rob the guy. Rob the guy, you out there, mate?
Yeah, guy to Rob. I'm here.
Good to hear you, Gee. Where are you?
Camp 1, Pomori.
Yeah. There you go, I got the old slow rider. Listen, I think you're on the wrong mountain there.
Look, I can't talk, but we gotta get out of here.
All right, mate. Well, listen, you take care on the kiddie slope. I gotta get back to the real thing.
Hey, don't worry, Rob. I'll keep an eye on you.
Howard, you okay?
Is everyone okay?
We're okay!
Come here, sit down, sit. Look at me. Look at me.
I'm fine, mate.
Look at me, Harold.
Look, I'm telling you, I'm all right.
Okay.
I'm all right.
Thank you. Don't do that to me again, eh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, mate. I'm gonna drop back with Frank. He's struggling a bit, all right? All right.
All right, straight there. Let's get him on the oxygen.
Rob Order, Scott Fisher, Mountain Madness. How do you copy?
Hey, man. Scott here. I've been down to base camp and I'm back at Camp 1. I'm gonna catch you tomorrow.
Oh, you're not going to rest up a day first, no? Scott, you sound a little rough. Mate, take an extra day.
No way, Jose. What? Miss out on all the fun?
A lot of up and down in one day, even for you, Scott.
You know what they say, man. It's not the altitude, it's the attitude.
You sure you're going to be okay? Scott?
I'll be good. Just taking a shot at dexamethasone now.
Well, just don't push yourself too hard. Okay? Over and out.
Rob, I've just been over to Mel's to get a weather update. It's moving fast. It's changed course slightly, and it could still go north, but if it doesn't, it's gonna hit sometime on the 11th, I reckon.
It's a weather forecast, Helen. The mountain makes its own weather. We're keeping an eye on it.
Yeah, sure, just letting you know.
Appreciate it, Helen.